Hello! Today I am going to be creating a button art using some new products that I got from Plaid. This is their new brush basin. So you can see in there it has a bunch of different areas to put the brushes. And then they have the artist variety set. How do I get into this? So let's see. So come out. So it looks like this side is where you would like wash off your brushes. You can store them like this. And then there's also this side area over here that you can put them in. That one goes there. So just kind of a fun way to keep your brushes organized. So I'm going to be using that, and then I will also be using the new Mod Podge Ultra. This is the mat. This is what I'll be using to actually adhere my buttons down to these right here. So I've had these for a really long time. They are these wood shapes by Adorn-It. So this is what I'm going to be using. First I'm going to paint it white. Okay, I now have it painted white, and then I kind of drew a tree on there. Not a very good artist, so just kind of went with it. And now I'm going to use some brown paint to paint my tree. Here we go, I got my tree painted on there. Not the best looking tree in the world, but it'll work. And then I have all of these buttons. I don't know if anybody else has a ridiculous amount of buttons like I do, but I am going to go through here and I'm going to find some pink ones and some green ones. Okay, so I found a bunch of green and pink buttons that I'm going to use. And I know I showed you earlier the matte Mod Podge Ultra, but I think I'm going to use the gloss one instead because I decided I wanted more of a glossy look on this. So what I'm going to do is just shake this for about 15 seconds, and I also, just to help with cleanup, I put some wax paper down. And then I'm also just going to take this can. You can use like bottle cap lids, work great too, but anything just to raise what you're working with off of the surface so it doesn't stick down to the surface. So this will just keep it so it doesn't get stuck from the run over on the edge. So then I just want to shake my bottle for about 15 seconds. And then before spraying it, you just want to do like about 3 test sprays. 2, 3. Just make sure you have a good spray, that it's not sputtering out, and it's a good even spray. So now I'm just going to spray my entire surface. Like so. And then before I put the cap back on, you always just want to wipe off the nozzle just a little bit, so that way it doesn't harden up on there. And then I'm just going to start taking the buttons and just laying them down randomly where I want them. I also found this little bird that I think I'm just going to add right here. It's a little piece of wood bird. Okay, once you have all the buttons in place, you just take the Mod Podge Ultra again and just spray all over the top. Just like that, and give it about 4 hours to dry. 4 to 24 hours I think it is, but it is pretty much dry to the touch in 4 hours. There we go. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and hit the like button as well. See you next time. Bye bye.